Hello guys, how are you today? Someone asked me, how can I register the money that has been paid by the owner of the company in form of capital using QuickBooks? If everyone has the same question like that, let us solve that today. Let's assume that you installed already your QuickBooks. You double click on the QuickBooks icon. Here you enter your password, or some of you without the password, it will just open the company file. And here you maximize. Close this one. Sometimes it opens what you last opened. Now you have to make sure that you are on the home screen. Okay. Now to do this, you have two options. Either you click here, you see here on recorded deposits, or you go to banking, then you look for make deposits. Okay, now for our case we are going to use this record deposit. Now here we're going to deposit to this bank account which I had already registered in the system. Now here you go here to receive from. You received from. You put the name for that shareholder or director. Let us say John Bosa. Okay. If we click here, it will tell us John Bosa is not in the name list. You want to set up? You can set up. Now here it is showing the vendor, customer, employee, others. Let us say others. Okay. Then we put in the full details of this person. Okay, just copy and paste that one. We put the contact here. We put everything, the details of full details of this person. But for our case, to make it simple, let us just say okay. Okay. Now here there is received from. Here there's a received from. Then here there's from account. Now we select the account. This money which is going to give us, okay, it is going to go to a capital account. Okay, which means we put it on capital stock equity. Here we can just put maybe we can just put in the memo money invested. here method, you can just say cash, okay, then amount, can put 200,000. Okay, then we say save. If we go to our bank account, let's set to snapshots. If we go to our bank account, the money is already there. If we double click on it, you can see that this account was in negative before, but when we deposit this from the capital stock, we have this 200,000. okay, so guys, that is how we enter the owner's cash injected in the company using QuickBooks. Thank you. Bye bye.